everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. It is the start of the month and we have so much going on. So just really quickly, a few housekeeping items. There's a ton going on with Stampin' Up! Right now. There is our designer series paper sale. You buy 3, you get 1 free. There's a list of paper that is included. So don't miss on that. Stock up on your favorite designer papers because now is the time to do that. We also have an amazing, amazing promotion going on. If you join Stampin' Up! Right now, you do that, you spend $99, you get $125 in product. You get to pick out an entire set of ink pads. That is such an amazing deal. You get to pick out whichever set you want, the brights, the subtles, the regals, the neutrals, whatever color, you know, colors your world, you get to pick, and then it all ships to you for free, which is amazing. So I would love for you to join my team. If you've been wanting to join Stampin' Up, I would love for you to come on over and join. So today, let's dive into the Simply Layered kits that Carrie and I are doing. This is our second one. Last month went so well, you guys. Thank you so much for your encouragement. Thank you for having grace with us as we were getting everything situated and everything went out. I am so excited to be doing this with you guys. So this month we are featuring, I just knocked my tape over. We are featuring the Animal Outing stamp set and die set. And this is a really fun set. I love it. As I was using this, I was so glad I ended up getting it. So we have both of those. And then we're also featuring the Animal Outing designer paper, which is super cute. I just love it. This is probably one of my favorite pieces right here. It was hard to decide which one I wanted to use. But I love this. So that's what we're featuring. Let me show you the page. So what this is, if you are not familiar or this is your first video or you're just catching it, my friend Carrie and I, we do this thing at the very beginning of the month, each month. It's called Simply Layered Kits. And what you get is you get a Simply Layered page kit. So you can put these together. Let's zoom out so you can kind of see all of it together. You'll see my messy desk with all of my stuff on here. But you get a supply list and items to create a page. And then what you're going to do when you're done watching this video is you're going to head on over to Carrie's video and she's going to show you a Simply Layered card that you also get. So here's how it works, you guys. You can purchase just our videos. So you'll get the video putting this together and you'll get the video putting Carrie's card together. And that's going to be $20. It's just the exclusive videos. Or you can spend $50, use the host code that's going to be right down here. You use that host code. You purchase $50 of whatever you want. You don't have to purchase the suggested supplies that we suggest. You can purchase whatever you want. Once you do that, you will get the kit to create both items. So you don't get anything that is 12 by 12. So you're not going to get the 12 by 12 cardstock or the designer paper, and you won't get the stamp set or the die set, but you will get all of the photo mats and all of the punched pieces to put that together. So you spend $50 and you will get that for free. We'll send it to you at the end of the month, okay? If you just want the kit, you don't want to spend any money and you just, you know, you have the stamp set and you have your own supplies, you can purchase the kit pieces for $25, okay? So all those options are down below and they're over on my website for you to check out. And when you purchase this, even if you don't, say you don't like the designer paper or you don't, you know, maybe you don't have anything that you might want to do with this designer paper, you get a PDF that shows you the measurements of all of this. So you will be able to recreate this page layered kit and the card kit. You will be able to recreate those very, very easily. And then in the exclusive video tutorial that Carrie and I both do, we go over how to put our projects together in detail. So you will be able to absolutely put this together and recreate this with no problem. That's our whole desire, is that then you can take a page layout and you can do that with multiple things. So last month you purchased the cardstock that was the in colors, and so this month you're just going to go ahead and grab the lemon lime twist, and that's going to be our base. And then our suggested supply list for you is the designer paper, the stamp set and die set. So this is a bundle, so you're going to save 10%. We tried to take that into consideration. So you grab the designer paper, you grab the stamp set and the die set, and then we also suggest you getting these little wood pieces. And I was unaware that so many pieces came in this product. I thought it was one sheet, like I thought you got this and then this. It turns out you get 3 of each. So we definitely are using some of these wood elements, and Carrie will be using some of those wood elements on her card. So I hope you guys are enjoying these. This one was fun to put together. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to answer them. You can email me, you can leave comments below, and then there's going to be a link to go right on over to Carrie's video so you can check out her card and see what she's putting together. This one is a really fun one, and I'm looking forward to putting it together with you guys on camera and doing another Simply Layered kit this month. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll be back on Wednesday to make a card with you guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.